All right, folks, I'm here. I'm gonna get a roti. In Thailand, call them roti. And my friend, I'll take the banana and the egg with the chocolate. All right, so I'm gonna show you how this gentleman makes a. It's called roti. It's like a crepe, like a pancake type deal. And what I'm getting the banana with the egg right here. And he's gonna sprinkle it with some chocolate at the end, folks. This is absolutely delicious. You come to Thailand, this is one of the things that you've got to definitely try out. He's got the dough pre-made in there, comes out like a little ball. And he's gonna make this like he's making a pizza. I'm gonna tell you right now, just the smell of that fresh dough, that's delicious. And he puts it over here on the heat. Look at that, folks. And all these folks, they just do it with their hands. Like when you see these folks make the roti, they just fold that over with their hands. I have no idea how they don't get burn their fingers every time. That thing will sit there and simmer for a little bit and go back to making another one. This gentleman right here, located in front of Nana Plaza. He's usually right in front of the bar across from Hooters. He shows up on station about, I'd say around 3 or 4. Look at that. If you can smell the smells right now, it would make you hungry. That egg with that banana combination, that dough. Man, oh man, this is gonna be delicious. Some people like theirs like, you know, kind of soft. I like mine usually extra crispy. Like cook it a little bit longer, but I'm just gonna see how his turns out naturally. And tomorrow I'm gonna tell him make me one extra crispy. Beautiful lady right here waiting on hers too. Look at that. A little bit more oil on there. Chopping it up. Little squares. They're gonna hit it with the condensed milk. There we go. Here comes the chocolate. Put a stick on there. There we go. All right, so 50 baht for the order that I got. I'm getting too much. 50 baht for this little dessert right here. I'll put the exchange rate. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you. Couple tap. Okay, folks. I'm trying not to drop this. But right there, that's the roti. You'll see it, you know, you might see a sign with a pancake, but most Thai people, they pronounce it roti, but it's actually spelled with an R, roti. Where this gentleman is, he's right here in front of the Nana Hotel. He's usually in front of Hooters at this bar right over here. So that's it. We got our roti, and it's time to go chow down on this deliciousness here. Let me cross the street. So got me a seat back over here. Got me a seat back over here at the hotel. And I want you to check this out. Just poke them right there with the stick, these little squares. And that is some kind of deliciousness right there, I promise you. So here we go. I'm gonna see how this little dish turned out. Wow. Those bananas in there are so hot. That is absolutely delicious. If you come to Thailand, you'll see these little carts all over. Just like this gentleman here. And they're some kind of delicious. You don't have to add the egg. You can say, hey, just give me the banana. Or they'll put mango in there. I customize it. Sometimes I just go with the egg and it's just like a little sweet, you know, crepe pancake. Next time I'll go with the mango and the chocolate. Absolutely delicious, folks. Come to Thailand, make sure you get you a roti and tear it up. You're gonna enjoy it.